Hi, it's Ms. Todoric. I wanted to show you all the TestOut and CompTia courses that I have access to. I've started to create playlists so we can help and walk through each lab together. So this is TestOut Desktop Pro Plus, CertMaster Learn A Plus Core 1 and Core 2. Third one is CertMaster Learn Network Plus, CertMaster Learn Tech Plus. Then we have TestOut Client Pro, TestOut CyberDefense Pro, TestOut Digital Literacy Pro, TestOut Ethical Hacker Pro, TestOut IT Fundamentals Pro, TestOut Linux Pro, TestOut Network Pro, TestOut Office Pro, TestOut PC Pro. Then we have both the TestOut Pro certified, one in Microsoft Excel, one in Microsoft Word. Then we have the Routing and Switching Pro, and finally the TestOut Security Pro. So if you need a lab ASAP, you could just write in the comments of this message, of this video, which course you're taking, which lab, and I can help you. All the best. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.